recording on in my system. Is that okay from my side?
Yeah, but how can we view the recording? Like,
I'm
how
not
do we
sure
get it?
about that. I'm not sure. Even I have gone through some of the setting on the recording, but it was nowhere it was asking that your participant can record it. This one, there was no option in that.
Oh, yeah.
I put myself on the recording.
Yeah.
Maybe I will upload
Maybe
it
like
on
upload
the YouTube. It's like too much job for me, I understand. But what I will do is I will save it in my computer. I'll put on the YouTube and I can share. I will share the link to you. That will be fine to you.
Yeah, that would be great.
Okay, for everyone, I put this today's session on the recording. I will save this one and I will put on the YouTube and I will share the link on the Moodle. Be happy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so
Thank you.
what is the answer here? The polling result came is 58%. You're feeling comfortable with the online class. That's good. But still, there are around 20% of the students, they are not feeling good with the online. I can understand there are certain restrictions. I can't see your kind of expression on your face. Are you in trouble or are you in happy? That is very true. You know, like if it is a face to face, I can understand that. Okay, everything is going smoothly to your mind. You are able to understand, but I can't see for most of you. So there are challenges in terms of explaining again and again. But uh, just let me know any time of any of the time if any of you need any extra help. What I can do is on Sunday, on coming Sunday, like I will set you some time. You can interact with me if you have some, or anybody, if you have some, if you need an like 10 or 20 minutes of interaction with me in order to have some issues resolving. If you think that some question you need further explanation, you can take some of the time from me. Like you just let me know on some particular day. I will take, like I will provide you the timing, like okay, from this time to this time I'm available, and I will provide you the Zoom link where we can sit together and we can resolve the issue. So that is not a problem. But just let me know separately if you need extra time from me. I will provide you depending on my availability, but I will do that. I'm promising you that is fine. That will be fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
There is a, I have another question for you. Just 1 second. We all know that we are going through the tough time. So I'm closing this polling now and share result. You have seen the result, right? No?
No.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the like polling result is 58% saying good with the online.
Yeah.
19 to 20% is bad, and not sure is like they wanted to have some more time to understand what is going on around. Okay, take your own time. I have another question for you. No, I don't want to relaunch the same question. I need to close this one. I start another poll. Edit. So where is the poll? How could I share the result? This has to be closed, and then where is the second question? I'm handling the polling first time, so please. How can I change the question here? Okay, polling 2. Yes, this is the second question. Please go ahead. Still 10 more to go. Please participate in this one.
Hello, sorry, sir, for being late.
That's okay, Israt. Just make it mute and participate in this survey. The question is in front of you.
No, there is a question in front of me.
Okay, maybe you will get the next question. Just you joined late, so it may be not appearing in front of you.
Okay.
Yes. So what I can see here, yeah, I was expecting let me share with you the result. I'm closing so around 30 students has participated, and how many total? Still 10 students has not participated. Forty-two is the total number of participants, and those who have said yes or good, bad, or not sure is yes. Still, it's increasing. Do it fast. So how are you finding life at this point of time? So let me stop this one and let's share the findings to you. Okay, you could see the result. I was expecting the same thing. Personally speaking, even I am not so good. We do worries about our relatives, colleagues, friends, all one, like in the family and all, right? So it's a tough time. Just have just try to engage yourself. It's better to engage yourself for the study. If you are sitting most of the time, spending most of the time in your house, it's better to do some quality assignment work, try to meet the deadlines and all. Try to make yourself, keep engaged yourself all the time. That is one of the good way to overcome this hard time. And just pray for everyone to be safe. God bless everyone. God bless Australia as well, right? That is my opinion, but try to engage yourself in more productive way. But still, like one third of you are like feeling good. That is good. I know it's a tough time, but since there is no future, or like day by day, the situation is getting worse. I have seen today the number of cases around the world exceeded 500,000. It's really, I can't say like what is happening here, and there is no prediction when the things will be all right. There is nothing is coming out like when all this hard time is gonna to end. So stages like the work has to continue, means I have to continue. I was thinking that quiz 3 will be, we can think about putting the quiz 3 later on in somewhere when we will sit together face to face, but nothing is like clear, like how long this tragedy or this hard time will go. So I have another question with you. Let's see how many of you are able to. Yeah, I have one more question for you. Okay. Yeah, this is the last question for you today. So next Monday, do you feel comfortable for attending this quiz? There is no choice. Like, I was thinking that the situation will be normal within 2 to 3 weeks, and I was assuming that we can get together for face to face in order to conduct the quiz 3. But we do have another set of like remaining 4 more quiz, right? Quiz 3, quiz 4, 5, 6. So what will happen if we will not conduct this quiz at the right time? At the end, it may create lots of mental pressure to you as well, right? So I'm just thinking, what is your opinion on that? Like, how many of you think? I will just go ahead with the majority. So I know it's a difficult time to say that, but let's see like how many of you are in favor or how many of you are not in favor. Quiz 3 will be based on the week 4 probability distribution, the discrete probability distribution. Last week we have covered the continuous probability distribution, and before that we have covered we have discussed the discrete probability distribution. So remember, it won't be a very tough for you. But I'm only worrying about if everything will be landed at the end, probably you will be in ultimate pressure. The pressure will be huge. And some of you might have to deal with some other assignment in the other subject. So if taking the quizzes on the right time, probably will be the good thing. Still, I can see like 10 participants has not participated. So, okay.
I've put my answer.
So, like, yes, 4 students has not participated yet. 35 responses I have received out of 39 students. Okay, meantime, I forgot, like, every time you need to put your name and NIC ID in the chat box. That will be the mark of your attendance. And you know the marking, like attendance is very important even in the online delivery. So even if I forget sometime, please write your name and roll number every time now onwards. I should not repeat. Even if I forget, please. Very good. I've seen some of you have already mentioned that. You have already written that. That's really good, nice to you. But others, always use whenever you enter in this session, please write your name and roll number for your attendance in order to mark your attendance. Otherwise, you will lose your attendance. So please do that. Please do that. And those who have not given the vote, can you do it? Because 4 students has not given any verdict or any opinion. Out of 40, 36 opinion I have received. And unfortunately, what is happening here is it is a kind of case. 18 students they said yes, and 18 students they said no. So again, it's a kind of dilemma for me, which side I should go. So I want somebody to participate who has not done it yet. For students who has not participated yet, can you participate in this survey? It's a kind of 50-50 situation. It's very difficult to make any decision on this. I got stuck here. Please help me. Those who has not given the opinion, can you do it fast? I can't see who has not participated in this polling, but oh my God, I can't see that who has not done it. Are you sure, like, who are there, who are here listening to me have you done the polling for the quiz 3? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Still 3. out of 39, only 36 has given. 3 are missing. And I'm
Maybe.
in the tie position 50-50. So I wanted to be in one side.
Maybe
Sure,
they log on the computer and then just disappear.
So they logged on and they just
Yeah.
disappeared. Okay. That sounds interesting to me. Okay. Let's see.
You can do it once again.
No. See, I'm sharing the result. I'm honest to you. You see the result, what is coming out. It's very it's a kind of 50-50, and that means I have to take the call. Right.
Then do it once again.
No. Once again, I don't think so it will be fruitful, like. Okay. Then I have to take the decision. Wait for my decision on the Moodle. I will keep updating you. Otherwise, if it is a 50-50 case, I think I should go ahead with the yes. Probably I'm thinking to go ahead with the yes.
Okay.
I will send you if it is a yes, then I will send you the instruction which you need to follow. Or maybe in the break of 5 minutes, I will develop some instruction, and then I will discuss it, because it is important. Because conducting the quiz face to face is easy. I can easily get the result from you, right? I can take the answer sheets back from you. But conducting the quiz over the internet or over this sort of communication channel, I need to I need to show you clarity in terms of what stages are involved, how you will send me the answer back. That is the challenge, quite challenging for me. So I will maybe in the break, I will develop those guidelines or instruction, and I will let you know what stages you have to follow. You will most probably you will receive the set of question through the Moodle at the particular time, and I will give you 20 minutes to solve that one while sitting in your house, and then last 5 minutes I will give you just for sending me attach the file answer sheet and send it back to my email ID. So I will discuss about the instruction. So because this is a tie case, I'm thinking to go ahead with the quiz 3. So I will guide you further again in this one. So I'm closing now this one, and now I will go through the exercise of week 5. Okay, let's go ahead with the today's exercise. Where is that tutorial?
Could we do it slowly?
Yeah, please ask.
Could we do it slowly?
Yeah, sure. The exercise I will do it slowly. Thanks for reminding, but I will take care of that. Don't worry. And you are allowed to stop me anytime if you think that I'm not so slow. Just go ahead and stop me anytime. I won't feel anything. I will be happy rather. So now you have NIC week 5. Week 5 tutorial exercise answer I will upload on Moodle. Even now onwards, whatever the tutorial exercise we will do, I will upload the answer probably on the same day on the Moodle. That I will keep from now onwards in mind. Idea is make your journey as much as smooth as possible from my side. Okay. Now you have tutorial exercise week 5 in front of you. Are you able to see that?
Yes.
Okay, but since I have to shift, since I have to shift to the whiteboard in order to calculate, in order to work together, again, I will suggest you to download this one from the Moodle. Download this file from the Moodle, everyone, so that we can go together, but I can't put both the screen at the same time. So only one is possible. So it's better to have blackboard, like whiteboard in front of you. So I'm closing this one and suggesting you to download this file, week 5 tutorial exercise. We'll go through this exercise today. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I'm stopping here, and now you will be able to see the blackboard. Or means I mean whiteboard, sorry. I keep repeating blackboard, I don't know. It's like more generic term, generic word instead of whiteboard. Go through the exercise number 1 and try to do it. Very soon I will start working on, like we will start working together. Meantime, download the table, Z-score table, standard normal distribution table. You please download it. Last time we did it, right? So please keep that one with you. We need to look at the distribution table all the time. So keep that one with you. I can't see the black. Are you able to see the whiteboard now?
Yes.
Yes.
Unfortunately, I can't see, but it's fine. Okay. If you are able to see, that's fine. Okay. So we have question number 1, exercise 1, I mean. Okay. So exercise 1 is you need to find out one-sided probability. What is given here to you? The Z-score. So exercise number 1. Attempt the question number first. You need to find the probability if Z is given less than minus 0.7. Before jumping to the this sheet, what is the table which you have? Where is that probability table? Before jumping to the probability table, you need to draw the normal distribution, the graph. So for this case, what you have to do is, this is important here. And this step gives you more clarity how to proceed. See the value, Z value, what I said in the normal distribution. In the case of normal distribution, Z score is your in the x-axis. Is that clear? And the mean value, always you have Z equal to 0.
0.
And one standard deviation, right? So Z equal to 1. Two standard deviation right, Z equal to 2. One standard deviation left is Z equal to minus 1. Two standard deviation left to the mean, Z equal to minus 2. That we understood in the last class. For this case, Z equal to minus 0.7. So this, you need to draw it first. So the moment you draw this graph, you have the mean. Mu is here, mu value is here. And then where is Z? Z is minus value, so always it will be left side of your mean, right? If it is a plus, it will be right side. So it is minus 0.7. So imagine Z equal to minus 0.7 is left side of your mean. And then you just do like this. And since it is a less than, this is important. Since it is a less than, which area they are asking for? This area. Draw like this. They are asking for the probability, the area of this particular reason. And then now you see the table. What table they are giving? Like what in the Z-score table you have minus, right? Go through the minus table, minus value table of the Z-score. So Z equal to 0.70. So first you look at the value 0.7 and then
0.2.
corresponding 0, 0. So you will get
0.2420.
yes, you will get 0.2420. So this value you are getting, how much the area value is you are getting?
0.2420.
Yes, 0.2420.
2420.
How?
Is that clear?
No.
It's not clear. What is the problem here? You are not able to see that table. Hello. Somebody said no. I just wanted to know what is the problem. Oh, I am assuming all clear. Any time you can stop.
On the table it's on minus 0.07, and when we go up on 0.07 it's
No.
coming 0.2206.
No. It's not a 0.77. It's only 0.7. You need to be careful. It's a 0.70, my dear. So first you go
Okay.
0.7 and then corresponding 0.00.
Okay,
How much it is?
now it's 0.2420. Yeah.
Exactly the same thing. That's good. Same thing I have written here on the board. Are you able to see that?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So this is
Thank you.
fine.
Yes, this is fine.
Okay. The second question is similar. But okay, just do it. The second one. Draw this curve. Draw this graph. Then things will be very much clear for you. The second question. Z value is less than 1.03. Z value is less than 1.03. What is the corresponding probability value? So you need to redraw this one now. In this case, now they are asking for different area. Z is positive, so it will be right side of your knee, right? Z equal to 1.03. So somewhere 1.03. Which area they are asking for? They are asking for the area left off, because the Z square always gives you the lower value. So now this case they are asking for this area. And what is the area value? Now look at your Z table once again. First you look at 1.0 and then 0.03.
It's coming 0.8485.
Others, are you getting the same thing?
Yes.
Yes.
0.45.
Yes, 0.8485. This is important. Keep in mind. If you are able to
Diagram
draw,
is important.
things are over. Okay.
So this diagram is important.
Which one?
The diagram. We have to make the diagram with every question.
See, what I'm taking you from the elementary step by step. If you are able to visualize, see this one. Okay, jump to the third question. Why I'm saying this one is important? It will give you. If you attempt the question number third, you will get your answer. If you will not get your answer after solving the question number third, please raise this one again. Solve the question number 3. That is greater than 0.36. This is mu 0.36. So right 0.36. That is Z value. Now you tell me which area they are asking for. Right side or left side?
Right side.
Right side. This time they are asking for right side. This area. But your Z table always gives you the value for the left side. So find out the Z value at 0.36.
0.6406.
From the table you will get
0.6406.
yes. So you get Z value at 0.36, you will get 0.6406. But this 0.6406, that is 64.06, according to this table, it is a left side area. But the
Minus
question
You
is,
have to subtract from 1.
exactly. But the question is, they are asking for the right side. So that means you need to subtract this value from 1. 1 minus probability of Z score less than 0.36. So 1 minus 0.6406. And that gives you the value
0.3594.
0.3594. That's why I say drawing this graph is important here. It gives you a better clarity. You will not get misguided. You will not do any mistakes. If you, the moment you draw this one, it will be very clear for you that otherwise, if you're not drawing, sometimes the chances will be you will take this example, this answer as an area and you will pick the answer. This gives you clarity. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yep.
Similarly, you do for the fourth one. Fourth one is Z score is greater than 1 point minus 1.1. Minus 1.1. Since it is minus, it is left to the mean. So somewhere this is Z value is minus 1.10. 1.1 means 1.10. Always keep 1.10. That is the same. So now again, it's a Z is greater than this value. So they are asking for this area. Excuse. But again, the Z score table will give you the area left side of that Z score value. So you need
Yes,
to
sir.
find out Z value at minus 1.10. How much it is?
It's
0.8623.
0.1357.
No.
0.1357.
Correct.
Oh yeah, by subtracting, yeah, it's
No, go
0.1357.
through step by step. So you need to rewrite this one as 1 minus probability of Z less than minus 1.1. Then you have to find out first this probability, that is 0.1357, and finally you will get 0.8643. That is the corresponding value. Is that clear? Is that
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Anybody
Yes, sir.
for whom it is not clear, please ask. Then only I will move to the next question.
Sir, you wrote the answer, like answer is 0.1357.
No, answer is 8643.
How?
See, they are asking for the probability of Z value greater than minus 1.1. 1.1 is this point. So they are asking for this value. 0.101357 is the area for this reason. As per the table give the left side hand value. So if the question will be, what is the probability of 1.1? It will be 0.1357. That is the area left to this one. But they're asking for greater than this one. So I need to subtract it because the total area, I'm assuming 1.
Sir, I got it. But the thing is, point 1.1 in the on the Z table, it gives 0.8643.
No,
Just check the Z table.
It's minus.
it's minus. Are you looking for the plus value?
Oh yeah, sorry.
Yes. Keep that in mind. You have two different tables. One table will give you from 0.00 to 0.
Oh yeah. One,
The
two,
maximum value.
yeah.
Just try to
Sorry.
see there in your table. You see the positive table, you get the area value 0.50 to 0.99. Half. But you see the negative table, it gives the area from 0 to maximum 0.949 or 0.5.
Yeah, I got it.
So this is the negative area value and this is the positive area. So somebody pointed out you only that yes, you have done the mistake, you have
Yeah.
taken care of the positive Z value.
Yeah, I was checking for the positive one.
You need to be careful with the sign. So now try the second question now. Exercise 2. Draw the diagram. Draw that one. Yes, if you have quiz sort of question where the timing is very important, you should not draw this graph or you just do it. But if you are sitting for the suppose in-class test, midterm exam or the final term exam, it's better to draw it because I could see the complete steps which are involved and you have attempted. Sometimes what will happen if suppose you have followed some of the steps, but the final answer you did some mistake, you will get still some partial marks because of your steps. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
So if it is a quiz, multiple choice question, probably it's not required for me to see what you have followed. I will be interested only in the final answer. But if it is a in-class test, midterm exam or the end-term exam, it's better to show that what steps you have. At least the chances are there you will get partial marks, even the final marks is incorrect. So please, okay, just draw it. Exercise number 2, question number 1. Find the probability values areas for the standard deviation Z. So now the Z is given in the range. So probability of Z lies between 0 to 1.28. So two values of Z is given. Two values of Z. So find out, draw this is mu, mean. Z equal to 0 is always here. So Z equal to 0 is mean value only. So you need to understand this one. The mean values, Z is always, and you have Z equal to 1.28. Can you get this value without looking the table? Apply the common sense. What is the probability value, area value at Z equal to 0?
0.5.
Exactly, no need to see that the table. Sometimes you need to be, with the time it will come. So it's 0.50. This area, completely half. And you need to find, so what is the Z value lies in between. So you need, actually they're asking for this area. Not this one, not this one, this area. If Z lies, so you need to find Z equal to 0. You need to find Z value at 1.28. Find out from the table.
0.8997.
So how to write? Okay. So how to write this one is you need to break it into Z equal to less than 1.28 minus probability value of Z is less than 0. Then this is further equal to how much you said?
8997.
Exactly 8997 minus 0.0500. And we will get the probability value 0.3997. So 39.97 is the probability that Z value will lies between 0 to 1.28. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Others?
Yeah, but the numbers on the right, we cannot see it. It's not clear for
Okay.
us.
Okay.
There's something wrong with the camera. Yeah, like this.
Is that clear?
To the right, to the left a little bit, because on our screens there's, you know, an icon of a personal
Okay, right
icon
means answer
that
is
is
not clear for you. Now it's clear?
covered. Yeah,
It's
yeah.
better? Now it's better, right?
No, up a little bit.
You are able to see this one, 0.3997?
Sir, please.
Yeah, the number above it.
Oh, above. Above is not clear?
There we go.
It's 0.5000.
Yeah, like this.
Now it's clear?
Yep.
Okay. Israt, yeah, please continue.
Yeah, this number is 0.5000.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is Z equal to 0. So you know the Z equal to 0 is half.
Yeah.
The probability is like area is 100%. So half will be 50%. No need to go through the table.
Yeah, got it.
I have a question.
Please ask.
Are we supposed to round off our answers or just leave them the way they are?
Pardon once again.
Are we supposed to round off our answers? So for this answer, instead of 0.3997, would we say 0.4? Or do you just write it like that?
No, probably you will get as in a multiple choice question MCQ. It's better to write exactly this in this one. It's better not to convert.
Okay.
It's better not to convert. Either you can write 0.3997 or 39.97% probability. Something like that. But it's better not to convert this one as like 0.40 because sometimes it's better to keep it as such. So this is strongly advisable. Just keep it this one as that.
Okay.
Okay, attempt the, I think, okay, jump to the question number 3rd. Second will be easy to do it. Okay, do the third one. 3rd and 4th. Z value lies between, second you try by your own, it's easy. The third one is Z value lies between 0.65, 1.26. I'm trying to give you like the answer for the question which has like different angles or something like that. So no need to worry. Even if you want to have question numbers, I will give you the answer for this all that which one is I'm not attempting now, but I will give you the answer for all on the model. So in this case, Z value lies between, so both are in the positive side. So mu equal to 0 here, 0.65, always in the right somewhere, 0.65 and 1.26. And they're looking for the Z value in between this area. So find out the Z value at 0.65, at 1.26 and just subtract. So what Z value you are getting at 0.65?
0.7422.
7.22, correct? Others, keep checking.
Yes, sir.
And the Z value for 1.26?
0.8962.
Yes, 0.8962. If you subtract this value, You will get the probability. How much is the answer? 0.
It's
154.
154.
Yes, 1.4. Others, no need to rush. Take your own time, but just see like, are you getting this answer or not? This value, are you able to get or not?
Got it.
Excuse me?
Yes, please.
Can you move the whiteboard down a little bit?
Whiteboard down means you are not able to see on the top, or what?
No, see on the bottom. Yep.
Fine.
Yeah.
Now both top and bottom is visible.
But the bottom high a little bit, so.
Bottom is. Yeah.
Yep.
Fine.
Okay, fine. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Welcome. Okay. Do the fourth one. Exercise 2, fourth one, where the Z value lies between minus 1.4, 1.04 and minus 0.12. Minus 1.04. You need to be very careful while solving the answer on your paper. Instead of writing minus 1.04, you should not write 1.04, or you should not write 1.40. The answer will be totally changed. So you need to be careful, like even with the decimal number. Minus 1.04, that lies between minus 0.12. Both are negative values. So the Z values are both in the negative side of, means left to the mean value, equal to 0. So 1.02 is, which one is greater?
Minus 0.12.
0.12 is greater. So it will be more closer this one or this side? This side. If it is a greater, so minus 0.12. And then you have minus
1.04.
minus 1.04.
04.
So 1.02 is completely this side area. 1.104 completely this side. So they're asking for this area. So which area they're asking? Just draw. Give the priority that they are looking for this area. Some noise is there from background. Please mute it. Mute your camera or mute your mic.
Is the answer 0.303?
Just wait. So what is the Z value for these two?
It's 0.4522.
Okay, minus, okay,
149 for 1.04 minus 1.04, it's 0.1492 for the next one, not that.
Okay, for 0.12 it will be 4522.
522.
And for 1.04 minus
0.1492.
1492. Very good. If you make a difference between these two,
0.303.
0.3030. I think it's interesting to see. Have you got this answer?
Yes.
Everybody?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's better to do, because one of the part of this like today objective is to do this calculation using the Excel. Are you sitting, are you did you open the Excel sheet in front of you?
Yes.
Excel, how
No.
quickly the Excel will do the same sum, similar exercise. Just open the Excel sheet in front of you. Everyone. I'm opening the Excel sheet, and you will be able to see that. But I want you to same time.
Open.
You cannot minimize Zoom when you are recording this meeting. Amazing. Okay. How can I share it? Let me open any of the Excel file. Still, I'm getting some background noise. Please, can you mute your mic from your side? I'm just opening one of the Excel sheet. Okay. Excel do the same thing in just 15 seconds. So
But we want to do it manually.
yes, yeah. In the exam, you have to do it. You're right. You have to do it manually. But you just see like how, like using the Excel. Even you can do it manually, and sometimes you can check your answer through the Excel. Just hang on. Like, let me share the Excel sheet with you first. Yeah. Are you able to see the Excel sheet now?
Yes.
Okay. I'm doing the same. Same one. Okay. So what you have to do is just click any of the cell. Then there are two ways. Either you can write here itself equal to, since it is a normal distribution, normal probability distribution, NORM. You see there is a normal distribution and normal standard distribution. So what we understood from this table, that is only applicable for if the curve is following the standard deviation, standard normal distribution. So you need to pick up the third one, normal standard deviation.
Pardon me? What's the difference?
One is normal distribution, one is standard normal distribution where where the mean value is 0 and standard deviation is 1.
Okay, thank you.
We have seen that one. We already discussed about. So you need to choose the norm.s.dist. So they are asking for Z value. What is the Z value for this sum? Exercise 2, number 3, minus 1.04. I'm writing here minus 1.04, and then comma, and they are asking for either true or false. I will suggest you to write 1 for cumulative. Cumulative means the total area on the left side. So you need to put 1. Close the bracket. How much we got it from the table? We got it for this value. We got the value of 0.1492. I'm putting it. I'm doing internal. See, exactly the same thing is there in front of you. 0.1492.
Can you please do it again?
Yes, I'm doing it for the another value. For the same
Okay.
sum, we have another value minus 0.12. Just do it. I'm doing in the another cell here. And this time I'm using the formula here. Instead of doing equal to, I'm using the formulas. Go on the top, you see the different formulas. Go in the more function. Click the more function. In the formulas, statistics or statistical. In statistical, you will have go to the normal n. Norm.s.dist. Normal standard distribution or a standard normal distribution. Click that. They are asking for values, Z values. How much is the Z values for the second? They are asking for minus 0.12. So just write minus 0.12. And then, as I said, you need to always put cumulative one because we need to see the complete area of the left side, not a particular point of value. If it is a particular point of value, then it is Z equal to 0. Means cumulative over here you have to put 0. Otherwise, always you have to put 1. And then you just press OK. You see that we got it how much from the table? 0.4522. You got it here.
When do you put 0 and when do you use 1?
For which one, Irina?
Ella,
Yeah, which one?
the one you've done right now. So when do you use 0 and when do you use 1?
Always it's for this sort of sum, you have to use the 1, because the cumulative area means the total left side of area it will give you using 1. If you are using 0, it means that particular point at z equal to minus 1.2, what is the area value? That is not a good question actually.
Okay, thank
One
you.
point there is no area itself actually. So always you need to put 1.
Sorry, what do you put in Z again? Sorry, I lost it.
Which one?
What do you put in Z? The value of.
The
Yeah,
value of?
yeah, can you repeat again? Sorry for that second cell that you repeat, please. Sorry.
So in case of using 0 or not 0, right?
Yeah. What do I put in Z for the what's the value of Z?
G means Z score. Are you asking? I didn't get like.
No, I think she mean to say to repeat the first one. Is it?
Yeah, no, the second cell, the 0.452242. How did you get that? Sorry.
Oh, okay. This one I'm doing once again. This another okay. Equal to NORM, normal S distribution. Got it?
Yeah. Okay.
Click.
Mm-hmm.
What's the value here? The Z value is minus 0.12. So minus 0.12.
Yeah.
And then comma. Always you have to put 1 as a true or as a cumulative area, total
Okay,
area on the left side. And then enter,
Uh-huh.
you will get the same.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. And since it is in between, so just make a difference equal to this minus this. You will get the answer. That is the 0.03. We got the answer.
No, sir, sorry. The one that you were doing a while ago. So you went to the cell and then you went to formulas. You went to statistics.
The same thing. Yeah, I can show you once again with the formula. Either if you forgot here, this function, if you forgot, no need to worry. Go to the formula. So for that, you just pick up one of the cell where you wanted to have your answer. And then go to the formula. Then more function.
Then
statistical, you need to find out here. So somehow you have to remember, okay, it's a normal distribution. Where is n? Scroll it down, you will get normal DIST and normal SDIST. You need to choose standard normal distribution, because this formula, this chart table is, it is written on the chart also. It's standard normal distribution. So choose this one.
Got that.
Yes. Now either you can provide the value by writing, or you can choose where is the Z value. So it's better to write here minus 0.12. So minus 0.12. And then cumulative value is 1.
Okay, hold on.
And then you just click OK, you will get the same value.
Okay, thank you. Got it, thank you.
So it means it's not a big thing actually. Doing with the Excel is not a big thing. You just have to apply. Excel is more about the application, but the way we are doing manually on the paper, that is important. We are trying to understand from the conceptual point of view, and we are trying to apply the distribution table. So that is more coherent, more beneficial as well. Okay, I'm going back here, and now we will start with the exercise number 3.
Amit bhai,
yes.
How did you come up with 0.30307?
Difference, yeah.
Yeah. So what's the function for? What should I write for difference?
Okay.
Yeah.
Just you write on equal to.
Yeah.
First cell, first value. Click that. For me, I7.
All right.
Minus. Put the minus sign and then click the second value, second cell, this value 0.1491. Right? G6.
Yeah.
And then enter.
Oh, all right. Thanks.
I think in the you need to see whenever you put equal, there is like various formulas like sum. I don't know anything is you have the mean value. Okay, yeah, mean is there. No, mean is not there. Average is there. Average is same as mean. Median is there. MED. Yeah, median is there. Mode is also there. Mode. I think these are the basic calculation. If you're sitting in the house, just go around with this as some of the basic function in the Excel. It will make your life a bit easier, no doubt, but over a period of time. But anyway, don't worry from the exam point of view. You don't have to do a lot on the Excel sheet. Okay, should I come back here to the blackboard? Okay, you are able to see the blackboard now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, go through the exercise 3.
It looks hard.
Yes, exercise 3. It says that find the Z scores for the following probabilities. What is given here? The probability or the area. And they're asking for Z value. In the first and second exercise, what we did, Z score was given and we are looking for the area or the probability. Probability is same as the area, right? But over here, it's just opposite. So what is given to you? Area is given to you. And they're asking for corresponding Z value. So again, for exercise 3, question number 1. You need to write like this. They're asking for probability of value under the curve. Under means under the cover, okay, curve. Some value is here. Z score value is there, which is less than 0. No. You need to be careful here. This one is. They're asking for Z value. Z is less than something. This will give you the probability value is 0.8907. They're asking for this Z value. What we have to do now?
Go to the table.
Yes, and the curve, they are saying that this is mean. And from here, here blindly you have to think about where is the Z value, this side or this side. It's a greater than 0.5, so always it will be a positive side. So Z value will be always in the right side of mu, not the left side. So somewhere is Z value. And they're asking for this Z value. Since it is a lower than, so area
1.2.
Wait. This area is given. How much is this area? 0.8907. This
I
is
think
important
1.2.
others to understand this one. This area is given in the red. This area is given. They're asking for Z equal to what? Which value of Z is here? And this area is given 8970. That is given. The probability under the curve means the area under the curve is given to this area. So they are asking for this Z value. What you have to do? Go through your standard table. Look at for the positive one. Since it is greater than the area is greater than 0.50, look for the positive Z value. If the area is less than 0.50, means look at the negative one. Keep that one in mind.
Yeah.
So in the positive one, area is 0.8907. So you need to find out
1.23.
Yeah.
So 8907. Yeah, exactly. I got it. It's saying 1.2 and corresponding 0.03. So if you add 1.2 plus 0.03, how much you will get? 1.23. So Z value is 1.23. This is the answer. Others?
How do we put that into the Excel sheet?
This one?
Yeah.
You want to do this one on Excel sheet?
Yes. I'm saying, is it possible?
No, reversing is not possible. See, Excel is meant for such
Okay.
I got your point. You're looking for the reverse way. Like, can an Excel sheet gives you the back one? I don't think so. I don't think.
Okay.
There is a limitation. Excel can't do everything, but you need to understand what Excel can do and you just utilize it. Okay. So if you understood this one, just do the, which one is the, okay. The questions second, it will be the similar one. Just do the, I think it's better to do the, which one? The fourth one or third one? Anyone. You just do the third one. Third one is greater than 0.9265. Just do that. Oh my God, I need to give you the instruction also. Okay. I will be little fast. Okay. Do the number 3. What is the question here? This marker is not visible now. This another one. What is given? You need to find out probability of Z, right?
Minus 0.51.
What is the Z value so that it will be greater than 0.9265. So this is the case of greater than. Again, whenever you see the greater than, you need to be very careful what they are asking for. It's better to draw it and see what they are asking for. So which area is given here? This is mu. Z is greater than 0.9265. So greater than means Z value is somewhere here, right? Positive side. They are asking for this Z value. So what is given here now?
1.45.
1.45. Yeah.
That's what I got.
Yes.
But I feel like it's not correct.
I think it is.
No.
What?
Yeah, be careful. So don't jump quickly. What answer you got? 1.45.
Minus 1.45.
Minus 1.45.
Yes. This question is a bit tricky. This question is a bit tricky.
Because it's greater than, that's why?
Exactly. So actually you need to convert this one. You can't apply it straight away. Since it is greater than, you can't look at this area on the table. You can't see it directly. You need to understand what is going on here, what is important here. So something is greater than 0.9265 means
Z is less
better
than-
to convert this one. Before jumping to the answer, you need to convert this one step by step.
But I thought you were just looking for the Z value, sir. Why do?
Can you convert it into this way? C, Z, asking for value.
lesser than minus 1.4.
Exactly. 1 minus
0.9.
9265. This is the trick here. If you fail to do these things, you will get nothing or you will get the wrong answer. And this is
0.00735.
This is the trick here. Now it is something less than, then only jump to the table. Otherwise, unless until you don't have the less than, don't jump to the table. So instead of looking for 0.9265 in the graph or in the table, actually in reality you need to look for 0.735. So what is the corresponding value for this 0.735 in the, since it is now 0.7, so it's less than 0.50. It will be negative value. You got something. It is 7%, less than 50%. So it will be negative value. So look at the negative graph. Negative.
Minus 1.45.
Yes, you will get the value of Z is minus 1.45.
Yeah.
Is that clear?
Yes.
Do it the fourth one. If you have understood the third one, do the fourth one. Since it was a tricky question, that's why I'm taking both. Do the fourth one. Fourth one is probability of Z greater than, they are asking for value, so that the value is 0.2061. So what you have to do, you have to convert this greater sign to the smaller sign.
Smaller sign.
So probability of Z minus something will be 1 minus 0.2061. This one will come here 0.7939.
3.5.
So in reality, you have to look in the table for the Z value corresponding to the area 0.79.
0.82. 0.82.
79% greater than 50%, so the Z value will be positive one. Look at the
0.82.
how much it is coming Z value?
0.82.
Exactly 0.82. The Z value. Is that clear?
Sir, if you didn't minus it, it would come out the same, just the positive. It's just the positive one, right? Like if you didn't minus the 0.2061 from 1, it would, your answer would be still 0.82, just the negative sign.
Yeah.
Sign, right? So that's like another way of looking at it, I guess.
Could be.
That was what I was thinking.
Oh, okay, could be.
Depends on you.
Yeah, but yeah, I understand. But it's better to always convert in the negative side, because it's always be, you know, you will be smooth in your calculation if something is less than. So you don't. You're right. If you're able to get the answer in the keeping without converting, this one is okay.
Yeah. Okay.
That means you are getting expertise day by day. That is good sign for you and as well as for me.
Okay.
You guys are getting expertise. That is good. I'm happy. Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome.
Dude,
So
isn't that the rule for this? If we convert the crocodile mouth to from more than to lesser than, only changes from positive to negative or negative to positive.
yes, yeah, I understood. That's why. And you is like up on the ladder of expertise. That's good. So jump to the exercise number 4 now. Exercise number 4. The random variable temperature T during the May is normally distributed. It is given the normally distributed with the mean value 20 degree and standard deviation 6 degree. Find the probability that temperature during the May is less than 17 degree, greater than 22 degree, or between somewhere 22 and 30. What is given here? Z score is given? No. X value is given. X value either 17, X value 22, or in between 22 or 30. So since in this one, Z value is not straightway given. So what is the first job? You need to convert the X value to the corresponding Z value, isn't it? And for that, you need to recall the formula. We have Z equal to X minus mu
by
standard
deviation.
Very good. If you are able to recall, your job is very easy. What is given? X value is given, but Z value is not given. And they are asking for the probability. For the probability, you need to apply the table. For the table, you need to have Z score value. So it's now easy. Find out.
What's the X, sir? I didn't get it. X, what's the X?
Oh,
X
okay.
with.
Okay.
It's the given.
See,
Where? In degrees?
yes, x is given in the degrees.
Oh, all right.
X can take any values, right?
All right. All right.
Any values. So 17 degree, 22 degree, or in between degree. So X is the normal one. Z score is something which we are converting it for our
Sure.
calculation, to make our calculation easy in order to apply the table, given table. So,
Thank you.
so in the first question, just try to attempt less than 17 degree. So I'm
60.
drawing a graph here, less than 17. See here, mean value is given 20 degree. So I'm writing 20 here in between. Standard deviation is 6. Sigma is given 6. Okay. Less than 17 degrees. So 17 degrees where? Left or right?
Left.
It is somewhere left, right? So they are asking for this area. This is important. $17. So they are asking for Z value. You need to find out first. So they are asking for this value. So convert the Z value. Find out that at 17 degree, what is the corresponding Z value? So Z value using this formula is X is given 17 minus mu. Mu value is given
20.
20.
Divided by 6.
6.
How much it is?
Minus 0.5.
Minus 0.50.
Minus 0.50.
Exactly. That is the Z value. So you got the 17 degree corresponding Z value. So,
0.085.
so find out the area at minus 0.50. Find out the area using the table now.
0.3085.
Exactly. So you have to write like this: P
0.85.
temperature or X. Either you can write temperature T or even X is less than 17 degree, equal to, with the area with this corresponding value you got 0.3085. That is the answer.
3085.
30.85. 3085. So that is the first question. Find the probability. So what is the probability? 30%, 85% is the
Sir,
probability.
can you explain this?
Can you?
Explain this. Elaborate it. I don't understand.
Okay. They're asking, what is the question here? You need to find out the probability that the temperature value, T value, will be less than 17.
Yeah.
Less than, so see the sign, less than 17 degrees.
Yeah.
So temperature less than 17, and you need to, you need to apply the Z score table, right? So this T value is not a Z score value.
Yeah.
You need to convert this 17 degree into the corresponding Z value. So I got it, probability, you can write the same thing. Z is less than, corresponding 17 degrees, the corresponding Z value came 0.50. Value is same as this value. This one, using the table, we got 0.3085. So that is the answer.
Oh, all right. All right. All right. I get it. Thank you.
Yeah. Get the second one. Greater than 22 degree. So 22 degree in the graph, it will be right side or left side?
Right.
Exactly. Because the mean value is 20. So 22 degree will be right. And they're asking for, it's a greater than. See, the area is important. They're asking for this probability of this area. So what you have to do, you have to find out the corresponding Z value for at 22. So 22 minus 20 divided by 6.
It's 0.33.
So now you got 0.33. But again, now probability of temperature greater than 22 degree. You need to find out. That is equivalent to
0.6293.
Yeah.
0.293.
This is important. The notation is important. This is equivalent to P equal to Z value greater than 0.03. But still you can't apply the table because it is a greater sign. What do you have to do? 1 minus
P
P Z value less than 0.3. If you are not following the steps, somewhere you will be get into trap. Just you need to be careful. And then you can apply here, since it is a negative sign, then you apply the table 1 minus, you will get point. Anyone?
667.
No.
6293.
6293.
6293. Finally, you will get the probability 0.3707. Take your own time. No worries. Take your own time. Just grasp what is there on the board. Just try to understand.
Sir, we wrote 1 minus because it was greater than.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh.
That's what I'm keep repeating. You need to draw this graph. Otherwise, somewhere you will miss. If always follow the step by step, it will be easier for you. So they are asking for this probability. What we did, we found the Z value corresponding to this. The corresponding Z value gives the area left side, but they are looking for the right side. So we have converted before itself in order to understand all these things. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. For the third one, they are asking for what is the probability that the temperature during the May is between 22 and 30 degree. Can we subtract these two value of 1 and 2, and get the answer?
What?
Wait,
And that's the
What, sir?
wait,
See, we got it the less than 17 degree. We got some probability value. For the greater than 22, we got it some value.
Yeah.
22 and 30.
sorry, is it okay if we just go back? I didn't quite get this last one.
Okay, what is the doubt here? Could you please ask?
After we did x minus the mean over standard deviation and got that answer,
Okay.
which is 0.33, I didn't understand what we did after that to get the final answer.
Okay, so you got the Z value 0.33. So they're asking for this one. Are you able to see this one? They're asking for this question.
Yes.
Z value 0.33. If something is greater, we need to convert it into the lower one. How? By subtracting 1. That we did it, right? Before exercise 1 and 2, we did the same thing. Look at the exercise 1 and 2.
Yeah.
So we did the similar thing in the exercise 1. Like for example, it is less than 0.70, we did the same thing. So we
yes. I skipped a step.
now it is
I
clear?
understand now. Yeah.
All right, everything?
Yes.
Where's the 06293 come from?
Oh, okay, this is the Z value at 0.33. Look at the table. Look at the table for 0.33. So look at 0.03 and then 0.03. Yeah, 6293. It is there on the table.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
And then you subtract it from 1.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Okay, do the third one. Do the third one. Third one is the probability you have to find out for the temperature lies between 22 to 30. So again, on the graph, what is the mean value? 20. So 22 is somewhere here and 30 is here. So they're asking for
This area.
yes. No, you can't write here like this.
What?
You need to write it in terms of your, yes, but on the graph here, corresponding Z value you need to find out. They are asking for this area. What is the probability that the temperature will lies between 22 to 30? So find out Z value at here, Z1, Z value. I think we already found, right? What is
For
the
22, it's 0.6293.
0.293.
is 22 and 30. Oh, okay, sorry. So in 22 we
For
already got
22, yeah. For 22, 0.6293.
0.6293. Yes, just now we got it, right? 0.62.
6293. And for 30, 0.9525.
Okay, find out the Z value at 30. Z value will be
1.66.
67. Is it okay if we round off? Because
No, don't round off because we have to apply the table. Please don't round off.
No, she meant like it come out was like 1.663 6, and then we just
Okay. Yeah, because the Z table, yeah, I got it. Z table gives you only in the 2 decimal digits. So if you are getting the bigger one, please convert into the 2 decimal.
Where do you get the Z value for 30?
Z value you need to
Table.
formula Z equals to
from the Z table.
X minus mu divided by
1.66.
yes,
Sorry.
30 minus 20 divided by 6. 10 by 6. That is
0.9525.
Yes. So use the table, you will get 0.95.
0.9525.
What you have to do now, it's simple. Just subtract these two.
0.3232.
Exactly, 0.32.
32.
Others, take your time and understand this one. For those who has just now completed exercise 4, are you able to do the exercise number 5, 6 and 7? All these are similar. No, 5, 6.
Can we get a break, sir?
Okay, that's why I'm giving you the break and then we'll come back. So I'm so like go through the exercise number 5 and 6. These questions are similar to the exercise number 4. So we'll start with the exercise number 7. Looks like a bit different.
So 5 and 6 are for homework?
Just do it. I will provide you the answer for everyone. But it
All
looks
right.
like a similar, same question like 4.
Yeah.
More than 68, less than 62, and between 62 to 67. Just like the one we did.
And for this exercise 6, assume that scores are normally distributed.
Okay, we'll start with the exercise 6. Don't worry.
Yeah.
5 minutes break, and I will give you the instruction also for the quiz. Keep your mindset ready. On Monday, we are going to have quiz 3. That is the discrete probability distribution. So give me 5 minutes. I will share you the instruction. I'm writing. Go for the 5 minutes break. Those who wish to go.
Sir?
Yeah, please ask.
I wanted to ask about week 4. I didn't get the idea of the lecture for the week.
Okay, just download the PowerPoint presentation and let me know. Maybe on Sunday I can give you some time. You just ask me if it is required.
Thank you, sir.
That is fine. Okay, but you need to communicate this one to me through the email.
Yeah, sure.
So let me prepare for the instruction.
Mr. Amit. Hello.
We'll continue after 5 minutes.
Mr. Amit.
Yes.
Y is 1.67. The Z1.
Yeah,
because why do we round to 7? Why don't we keep 1.66?
Oh, you are saying that instead of 1.67, better to write 1.66?
Yeah, why don't we have to round it to 7? But why don't we keep
the graph here, the table here gives you to the 2 decimal points, like 1.12. You can't get from this graph 1.123. This graph will give you any value for the 1.123? No. The graph will give you only for the value of 1.12. Just have a look on this table. It can't give you the 3rd decimal value. So it's better to round.
I mean
1.67 is round. supposed to be just 1.66 if we don't round off.
Yes, I think 1667. If you is that coming right?
Yeah. Why don't we keep just 1.66, but why do we have to round to 1.67?
No, this is important here because this graph gives you 2 decimal points. So whatever value you have to round up. If you have the bigger value, it's better to round up. Round it. Since it is 6 here, 6, 7, more than 50. So it's better to convert this.
Yeah.
That you will get the more accurate answer using this table.
Yeah.
I'm not sure about 1.6 is how much it is the value. It's a good question, but 1.66, how much it is? 951. It's a, see, 0.9515. Not much different. Not much, only, see, only difference 1 and 2. Doesn't matter.
So what if I got the below 1? Is that okay?
Give me an example. I didn't get you.
Like, my answer for this probability is what 0.3222, not.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's and 2.
Yes.
The last one.
1032. So since it is 2, so no, if you even if you round up, it will be 0.32. If it is 6 instead of 6, then it will be converted to 3, 0.3. Otherwise, it will be same.
Yeah.
But not much difference. Don't be too much technical. It's a straight. Keep it, just normalized it. And okay, so your.
Yeah,
Others can attempt for the question 5. If you are sitting idle, it's better to do that. Or even you can attempt.
Sir,
Yeah.
can you please explain me how, like, the answer of the previous one was 0.3232 or 3932? Like, how did you get that one?
Previous one is 3.
It's 0.3232. Like, after getting the Z value, what I have to do?
Which question you are asking?
For question of 3, the previous one, last one.
Exercise 3.
It's, wait. It's that one between 20 to 30 degrees Celsius.
Yeah, we got 3232, yeah.
Yeah, how? Like, after getting the Z value, what I have to do?
You need to subtract because they're asking for the in-between value, right? So you need to subtract these two values.
Like, from, we have to subtract both Z value, right?
No, you can't subtract Z value, only the area value.
Area value.
Exactly.
Okay.
Probability, see, probability is area. Probability is not a Z value. Keep that in mind.
Okay.
So 0.9525 minus 0.62393. How much you will get? You will get the same thing that I have written, or maybe 0.3232. Yeah? Is that clear?
955.
Yeah, you will get the same thing.
Yeah, it's, yeah.
Let me complete the instruction. I already crafted something, so.
Sir?
Yeah.
For exercise 5.1, more than 68 kilograms, answer is 0.1335.
Yeah, correct. Okay, I have come up with the instruction. Let's see. Okay, everybody, can you check your chat box? Look at your chat box. Just
Yeah.
now I have shared quiz 3 will be based on week 4 probability distribution discrete.
Sir, can't see your message.
No.
Me too.
Can't see anything.
Okay. Just wait. You only sent to me because okay, I need to, okay, then. I got you. Now,
Oh,
yes. The quiz 3 will be based on week 4 probability distribution discrete, not the continuous one.
sure.
Instruction 1, there's 7 stays. And I want everybody to understand this very clearly. Otherwise, you will lose your marks. It is advisable to use laptop or the desktop because it will be easy for you to save the file, answer sheets, and send it back to me through the email and all. So it's advisable. If you're able to manage with mobile, it's up to you. But I don't want you to be delayed in terms of not following the deadline, in terms of timing. Yeah. Second one is keep yourself ready with the pen, paper, and calculator. You need to have some sort of calculation, discrete probability. It works with the 5C2. If you could remember, we have the probability distribution formulas and all. Right. You need to keep all these things in mind, and accordingly, you just prepare yourself. Keep those formulas and everything in mind in front of you. You will receive 2 different files. Or you can download it Moodle. Maybe I will put you in advance. I will set some sort of maybe the password on the file, and I will tell you the password exactly on the time. So you need to keep those 2 files. One file will be the set of quiz, the question, set of question, that is 11 question for the quiz 2, and it will be 20 minutes duration. And the second file will be separate file will be for the answer. I'll show you one I can show you. Can I share with you the question file here? Anybody?
Yeah, well, yes.
No, but that is not an option. Can we share the?
Can you just do like some random one and just show us what it will look like?
Oh, okay. So
yeah.
Okay. I will come back. Let me go through all the instruction stages. I will show you the both first and second. Okay, the stage number 4 is read the instruction carefully. The fifth one is save the file with your answer in the system. So that means you already downloaded both the file. Like one is the question set and the second one is the answer set. So in the answer set, you just have to put question 1, like 11 question. You have to just write 1 answer D, second answer C, like that. That will be the only answer set. You have to save that answer sheet in your system and finally send back this file to me. I've given you the email address. So it's better to, even the email addresses will be mentioned on the answer sheet. So you need to copy this one. Be careful. It's better to copy this one and paste it in your email. Otherwise, if suppose you will do the misspelling here in writing the email ID, it will not go reach to me and you will get a kind of some sort of maybe it will be not accepted. For example, what is the step number 7 is saying that if quiz starts, I'm assuming that 10 o'clock the classes will start, 10:30 exactly the quiz will start. And before that, I will provide you both the answer sheet and question. Question set will be closed with the password. So exactly maybe around 10:29, I will give you the password here in the chat box. You have to apply the password and your quiz will open. Right? So suppose 10:30 the quiz will start. It will take 20 minutes. So you should finish it by 10:55. The 20 minutes means 10:50. Your quiz time is over. I will be not there in your house at your place to see what is going on, but I'm giving you just extra 5 minutes in order to make sure that your email consists of your answer sheet. so will reach to me, to my inbox by 10:55.
Sir, can I ask you?
Late submission will not be considered for evaluation. If I get anyone later than 10:55 in my system, I will not accept it. And I'm showing you, then I will handle with your question. Let me show you 2 files. Then,
sir,
no, just wait. Let me show you some example. Yeah, this will be the question set. No, not this one. Stop. This is I'm giving you one. Okay, this is the quiz 3 sample and answer. Okay. Where is the? Yeah, this is the quiz one. Are you able to see the quiz? This is the same as quiz 2 we did. You will get the question here, like this. This file I will send you. This will be the first file, consists of quiz questions, and everywhere you have the option A, B, C, D, or whatever, right?
all right.
Sometimes you will not get, in some of the question in quiz 3, you will not have the choice. Like, for example, this is very important for, please listen carefully. Probably for this one, not for this one, but for some values. Yeah, for some values, I kept it open. Like for question number 13, instead of giving 4 values, I'm asking you to provide the answer. 1 or 2 questions will be like this. Are you getting? Find the probability that the student to fly, given the student was made something. So in this case, I have not given you the choice. So you need to write answer also. And this,
So
yeah.
Sorry. So how many question will be like that?
It will be like altogether, it will be 11 question, and writing like this one will be maybe 1 or 2 question, not much.
Okay.
Okay. So you need to provide, so don't try to round up, make it like whatever is coming as like without rounding off, just write down. I will see that. Okay. So that is the question, and then I'm stopping this one. I will give you the password with this question. Yeah, it will be MCQ. It is a multiple choice question, but 1 or 2 question will be like this. That may carry higher marks. That's why.
I'm sorry. Can I ask the questions?
Yeah, please ask.
When will we where will be receiving this? Like a Moodle or?
Yeah. Through the Moodle, I will give you both the files. Let me save the second answer sheet. Wait.
Okay.
This is the answer sheet. Quiz 3 answers. So like you need to, this is important again. You need to write the full name and an ID and keep all these things ready before. And save this file to amit.kumar. Even I have given you need to just copy this one to your mail chain and just send it. It is advisable to check the sent item before. Okay. Sometimes what happens, you send it and you thought like it has gone, but maybe it's because of some misspelling mistake or maybe something else, or sometimes your bandwidth was low and all, it goes to the kind of failed one. So you need to click on your mail, the sent item, and check that your file attachment is, and very important. Sometimes what mistakes generally people they do, they forget to attach the file as well, right? So you need to confirm at your end that your purpose has been done. You have participated, your answer sheet has been submitted to Amit sir, that you need to confirm. And see the question number here, 1 answer, you need to write either 1A, question number 2, maybe D or answer D. Maybe the question number 3 will be open. You have to provide some answer like 1 point, answer will be 1.345. Again, question multiple choice, that was D, A. You need to fill all these things. And then you just save all this answer sheet. And always remember where you kept this answer sheet. It is in your desktop or on your download file, so that at the end of last 5 minutes, you should not be in the rush, right? You should not look where I kept saved this one. So it's better to keep these 2 files at some places before attempting the quiz. So you have enough time. I will give you the the question and answers in well advance. So you don't have to worry if you are doing the things like in your own time, proper time. So this,
Excuse
I
me.
wanted to have only this sheet. So in my mail, I should receive only the answer sheet, not the question one. Okay, please go ahead.
Do you think because it's our first time doing the quiz online, do you think we could get a bit more time, like 30 minutes?
Yes,
Or
even
25 minutes and 5 minutes to send?
actually, I set the quiz for 18 minutes and then I thought to give you the 20 minutes. Even if I'm giving you 25 minutes, if I'm keeping the deadline as 10:25, don't you think that it won't take much time, like 1 to 2 minutes to send the file, if everything is ready at
I
your back end?
think, yeah.
Even you
I
could,
guess just because it's it, I don't know. I mean, because it's our first time doing it online, and
okay.
maybe sometimes someone might have internet issues
You
or
are,
they can't figure it out or something.
okay, I got your point. You are absolutely right. And since it is a kind of big classrooms and all, okay, you want extra 5
And
minutes.
then,
So what I'm giving you, I'm changing here for everyone. Please listen carefully. So now it will be for 25 minutes. So 10:30 to 10:55. You have to finish, and it should reach to me by how much time then? By 11, right? Is
Yeah.
that okay?
Yes.
yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
I had a question. Are you going to put a password on the answer sheet? Because
No. Password. How can I do that? I will do the password. Answer sheet is just a blank sheet. It's nothing great in that one. Why should I will put the password? I will put the password only for the quiz.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, since maybe I'm not sure about like password can be put on the document file. It may be then PDF file.
Do you think that you could send us answer sheets early so we can just save it somewhere we will know? So then when the time comes, then we will know where to like.
Exactly. I will send you both answer sheet and the quiz question with password in well advance, maybe overnight. So just check Moodle. And if you
Okay.
are not getting, just let me know separately on my email ID. On the particular day, don't say that I have not received or the Moodle has not sent me. I have not received any mail from the Moodle. Keep yourself ready at your end. That is my request to you.
Okay.
Don't give any excuse that you have not received. I will do it from my end. We are doing it the first time, so I need your cooperation all the time. I considered you, like you requested me for 5 minutes, and I'm like, okay, you take 5 minutes more. That is okay, but do it like make it overall experiences like bit smooth, so that make it as a kind of win-win situation. You also be happy. I'm also let me also happy. Can you understand 50 email I have to check, I have to download, I have to go through it. How much academic pressure I'm taking nowadays? You can't believe that. So let it be like a kind of win-win situation for. So I need your kind cooperation all the time. Do you have any more question?
No, sir. Thank
Okay.
you for your cooperation.
Yes.
Thank
So
you.
you will get in both the files in advance, but you will not able to crack the password. Don't worry. Okay. So finally, we have remaining questions.
Sir, for exercise 5, question number part 3, the answer is 0.4004.
Yes, point zero, point four
Point
zero zero four.
four zero
Yeah,
zero four.
yeah, you're right. But don't worry. Like I will give you for others, I will give you the answer set. Don't worry. So let me go quickly to the question here. Okay, so now we are going. No, it's close this one. Are you able to see the blackboard now? Means
Yes.
whiteboard. That is a common term. But should I do? Okay. So now we come to the exercise number 6. Quickly we'll do it. Don't worry. We have time. Exercise number 6. Okay. The mean and the standard value is given. Mean value is 74. And the standard deviation is given 12. Find the Z score of the student who achieved these marks. It's very easy, right? Assume it is the scores are normally distributed. So x value is given, x equal to 65 inverse. Second one is x equal to 74. Just apply the z value. So they're asking for z score. So x minus mu divided by standard deviation. So for the first case, x is 65 minus 74 divided by 12. How much it is?
-0.75.
For 65, it will be minus 0.75. It's easy, right? Exercise 6 is nothing. Now you guys are expert. I think you should go then. Okay. I think exercise 6 is easy for all of you, I'm sure. It's a basic formula you have to go quickly through the exercise number 7. Then. Exercise number 7. The mean and distribution, standard deviation is given. Assume that the scores are normally distributed. Find the marks corresponding to the Z score. So in this case, it is just a reverse of the exercise number 6. In the exercise number 6, the score value was given and they were asking for Z score value. But in the exercise number 7, Z score value is given and they are asking for corresponding X value. So again, you have to use the same formula. Z equal to X minus mu divided by standard deviation. Just cross multiplication. X minus mu equal to Z into standard deviation. So from here you will get the X value equal to mu plus Z into standard deviation. You just have to transform the same formula. Look at the question number first then. What is the value for the X if Z score is equal to -1? If Z score is -1, X value will be, mu value is how much it is given? 74 plus Z is -1 into standard deviation is 12. So 74 minus 12 is 62 is the answer. Is that correct?
Yes.
Are we on the same platform? Others?
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. So I think 6 and 7 was not a big thing, was not a tricky question, but yes, we have a good question here now in 8. Asking me when to apply the empirical rule, right? And I was keep saying that don't worry, most of the time you will get the sum, which is in which you have to use the standard deviation like the table. But if it is a question related to the empirical rule, probably it will be mentioned in the question itself. Like in this example, they are asking you to apply empirical rule and then find out. If this is the question, it is clearly mentioned that you apply the empirical rule. And let's do it together. This is again important. I'm just giving you the one kind of recall. What is empirical rule says? What is the formula? 68. What is the empirical rule?
99 and then 96.
Yes, 68, 95, 97.99.
99.7.
99.5. This is the empirical.
7.
Oh, sorry, 99.7. Okay.
What?
This is the empirical rule. Mean value is in between. What is the mean value for this case? 70. Standard deviation is given 2. So, what we understood from this empirical rule, 68% of data falls in this region. Plus 1 standard deviation to minus 1 standard deviation. Recall it. This is the areas covered by 68%. 95% with the 2 standard deviation. Minus 2 to plus 2, sorry. %95 of data falls in this region. Complete one, where I'm waving my hand. 1997, so 93 standard deviation. Minus 3 to 3. All from this point to this point. What is the area of this region?
99.7.
99.7. It's very simple, the empirical rule. And we have to apply this one in this case, in this example. So as I said, 68% covered by minus 1 to 1. So if you divide, this is 34, this is 34, half of 68. It's a symmetrical, well said. Total is 68 in a 1 standard deviation.
13.
Yes. We did it in the last time, if you could remember.
13.5.
What is the area for the second one?
13.5.
Exactly. This one is 13.5, 13.5 this side. And then
2.35.
2. Very good. 35, 2.35. If you add all this, 2.35, 13, 34, 34, 34, you will get 97.97. And what is the area for this one and this one?
0.15.
0.15.
Correct. 0.15. I'm really happy you guys are on track. Gives me happiness. Thank you. Thank you all. Okay, just apply this question. It's very easy to. If you draw this one, your job is like 50% of job is over. So use the empirical formula to find out the probability of X greater than 72. Where is 70? Here is 70. If I consider standard deviation is 2. So if I consider 1 standard deviation, what will be the point here?
72.
72. But negative, the left side 1 standard deviation, how much it will be?
68.
Exactly, 68. Very good. 2 standard deviation, 74. 3 standard deviation, 76. Minus 2 standard deviation, 66. Minus 3 standard deviation, 64. Okay. I think the question they talk about 72. Yes, it is there. 68, it is there. 66 to 74. 66. Everything is there. Means the kind of drawing we have done, I think it will cover all 3 answers. So what is the first one? Probability of X greater than 72. Greater than 72 means they are asking for this area. Try to understand. Complete area from this point. 72 is here. So they are asking for this area. Complete area. Area including from this point to this. What we have to do? Can you tell me the area of this side?
16.
It's very easy now. 16 how? Either you can add these 3.
Yeah.
Otherwise, half is how much? 50 plus 34. You can think about it. Just 50%. This area is 50% plus 34. What is the answer?
16.
84.
Yeah,
This
16.
side. So remaining is? Anyway, you have to. Either you can add these 3. Otherwise, you just see this area, divide 1 minus. So this is 50 plus 34, 84. 100 minus 84, 16. You will get it. The second one, probability less than 68. Where is 68? Over here. And they are asking for less than. Less than is easy. Less than 68, they are asking for this area. This complete area from these points. Either you can subtract from this side or you just add this one. 13.5, 2.35 and 1.5. What is the answer?
16.
Exactly the 16. And then what is the probability for 66 to 74? Where is 66? This is 66 and this is 74. They are asking for the area covered by 66 to 74 means 66 to 74. You see here. How many standard deviation in between?
95.
Yeah, 90.
How many standard deviation? This range is, you see the empirical formula. Is
Two
it
standard.
one standard deviation or two standard deviation?
2.
2. So we know the formula. What is the formula here? 90, 68, 95, 90,
9.7.
91. If it is a two standard deviation on the graph, what is the area?
95.
Exactly. No need to even calculate. Or even you add 68 plus this, you will get the same thing. Isn't it? Is that clear?
Yes.
Sir, can you repeat the last part?
Yes.
Last part is they're asking for the probability for between 66 and 74. So 66 and 74. Either you can add all these four. That is one way.
All right.
You see, this falls under two standard deviation. This is mean. One standard deviation, second standard. Left side is one and second. If it is a two standard deviation, straight away it's a 95. No need to even add. Your job is very easy now. And this is the last question we are attempting. Exercise number 9. Exercise number 9. There is a test score of 12th grade student. Mean score is 288 and deviation is 38. Using the empirical rule to a given range of scores that include the middle 68% of these students. What they are asking for? They are asking for provide the range of the marks or score which falls under certain standard deviations. So what is the mean score is 288. So question number first, just they are asking for a range of the scores that includes the middle 68% of these students. So empirical formula, what it says, 68% of the student scores will fall under one standard deviation, right? We know that one standard deviation. That is 1 here and minus 1 here. And they're asking for the range. So if mean value is 288 is here, what is the value for this and this? So what is the value of x1 here and x2 there? They are asking for this range. How much it will be?
250 to 326.
Exactly. 38 is the standard deviation. So just add 288 plus 38. How much it is?
250. That's 326. The x2. Yeah.
88 plus 38.
326.
Minus 38. What is the answer? 250
and 326.
Great. You see? Very easy. For the second question, 95%, that you know, 2 standard deviation. What do you have to do? 288 into 2 into 38. Either this side, 288 minus 2 into 38. You will get the answer. The application of empirical rule.
2,364.
68 are they?
Which one?
No.
Yeah, for the second one, 268. Yeah, 268 plus 68. No, 288. Sorry, not 288 plus 36 into 2.
364.
Yeah, 3. Yeah, for the second, it will be 364.
And then on the other side, it's going to be 201.
200.
212.
212. Very good. Just minus 38 here. 212. Add 38. You will get the same thing. Okay, just do the exercise 10 also. No worries. It's not taking much time. So do the exercise number 3. Like exercise 10. The mean value is 288. And the standard deviation is 65. Can we add 285 and 65? How much it will be? 325, right? No, 345.
345.
Exactly. Okay, one is 345.
410.
410. Okay. Just hang on at 410. Just subtract the 65. 280 minus 65.
215.
250. Correct. One more.
150.
Yes, very good. See, I think you will get the answer for first one. Use the empirical rule to find the approximate probability of the female with platelets counts between 150 and 410. You see?
95.
Asking for this area. Easy. How many standard deviation?
2 standard.
2 standard deviation.
USD. So what is the area? 90?
95.
No need to even
95.
no need to even calculate it. Then it's done. I think it's done. We have completed that. And we have seen already the how to calculate the normal distribution, probability distribution using the Excel. I think it's done.
Whoa.
It's good. So, no doubt, it seems like. So, be ready for the Monday quiz. I know like 50% of you were not in the mood of giving the quiz, but I will request you to please go together, and it will be better for you also if you complete certain this section of exam, like the marks in this week. It's better like later week you won't have this pressure, will not extend to the later one. So the later quizzes will depend on the different exercise, not the week 4 one. So it's better to keep that in mind. So no doubt, but once again, if you have any doubt in person, if you want to book slot, especially on Sunday, just let me know. I'm always there with you, always there. In any case of point of time, any doubt, please let me know. All
So
good?
I'll contact you on Sunday.
Next week test is week 4, yeah. That's gonna be next week. Is that right?
Yes,
Yeah.
Monday.
Monday.
And
10
exactly, yes, it will start by 10:30. Let me make
11.
your life like bit more.
And then you send us the answer sheets on Moodle soon, and then we
Yes,
can.
one question, yeah, one PDF file for the question and one answer sheet. I will send you probably on Sunday or
Sunday?
even before. I'm like I can do it more in advance.
So on Sunday, are we having any extra class?
Extra class means next class will be on Monday.
No,
right?
on Sunday. Like, what about Sunday?
That's what I'm like. I'm gonna.
No, Sunday, if you need a special kind of interaction with me.
Sir,
Yeah.
I'll contact you on Sunday.
Yes, but see, before booking the time, just communicate. I need to see my timing also, if I'm available or not.
Okay.
So accordingly, I'm giving you the time through the mail, and I will share with you the Zoom link or Zoom ID. On that particular time, please there and you can interact. I will be there in my house.
Okay.
You can interact with me, and if you have any issues, you just please ask me. I will.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
But
Yeah,
don't
thank
worry,
you.
always I'm there with you. In case of any difficulties, please, I'm there with you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
All good. Enjoy and stay safe. Bye.
Okay,
Take
thank
care.
you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good
Bye
night.
bye.
Bye. سلطان أحبك سلطان.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.